Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that sounds super techy and intimidating, but trust me, by the end of this video you'll be like, oh that's it? We're talking about SEO, what it is, why it matters and how it works. And don't worry, I'm going to explain it in a way that even your grandma would understand. Let's go. What is SEO? Okay, so SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Sounds fancy, right? But let me break it down. Imagine the internet is a huge library, like billions of books big, and every website is a book in that library. Now, when you search for something on Google, you're basically asking the librarian, hey, can you find me the best book about how to make pancakes? SEO is like the librarian system for figuring out which books to recommend. It's the process of making your website or your book so good, so clear, and so helpful that the librarian goes, oh, this is the one you need, and puts it right. So, in simple terms, SEO is all about making your website super easy for search engines like Google to understand and recommend to people. Got it? Cool. Another thing about SEO is helping users find your site and help people make decisions. You see, when a person is looking for something online, Google want to help them by showing them results in which Google think is the best representation of what the person is trying to find. You see, it's all about helping users, right? Did you know that Google shows two main types of search results? That's organic results and the paid results. How Google shows search results? The organic results are the results shown based on the intent of the user, but without the element of advertisement or ADS. This type of search results is shown mostly when your search intention is not to buy something online. The other main type of search results is called paid results. This type of search results is shown to the user with the intent to buy something online, and this is shown with the caption sponsored on top of the item. This is helpful for someone to search online being shown with results that are pre-filtered so as to help them find items easily and with convenience rather than being bombarded with irrelevant search results. Why does SEO matter? Now you might be thinking, why should I care about SEO? Well, let me hit you with some stats. Did you know that 75% of people never scroll past the first page of search results, and the top 3 results get the majority of the clicks? So if your website is buried on page 10, it's basically like hiding your book in the library's basement. No one's going to find it. SEO matters because it helps you get seen. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a cat meme page, no judgment, you want people to find you. And SEO is the way to make that happen. How does SEO work? Alright, so how does SEO actually work? Well, search engines like Google use super smart algorithms to decide which websites to show first. Think of it like a popularity contest, but instead of just being about looks, it's about how helpful and relevant your website is. Here are the main things Google looks at. Keywords. These are the words people type into the search bar. If your website uses those words in the right way, Google goes, hey, this matches what the person is looking for. Content quality. Is your content helpful, original, and well written, or is it just a bunch of random words thrown together? User experience. Is your website easy to navigate? Does it load quickly? Is it mobile friendly? Google loves websites that make users happy. Backlinks. These are like votes of confidence from other websites. If a bunch of other sites link to yours, Google thinks, wow, this must be a great resource. SEO is a long-term game. Now here's the thing, SEO isn't a quick fix. It's not like running a Facebook ad where you see results overnight. SEO is more like planting a tree. You gotta water it, give it sunlight, and be patient while it grows. But once it's fully grown, it'll keep giving you fruit for years to come. That's why SEO is such a powerful tool. It's not just about getting traffic today, it's about building a foundation that will keep bringing people to your website for months, even years down the line. Common SEO myths. Before we wrap up, let's bust some common SEO myths. Myth number 1. SEO is all about stuffing your content with keywords. Nope, Google's way too smart for that. If you stuff your content with keywords, it'll actually hurt your rankings. Focus on creating helpful, natural content instead. Myth number 2. You can game the system and trick Google. Google's algorithms are constantly evolving, and they're really good at spotting shady tactics. If you try to cheat, you'll just end up getting penalized. Play by the rules, folks. And myth number 3, SEO is too complicated for me. Not true. Sure, there's a lot to learn, but you don't have to be a tech genius to get started. With a little time and effort, anyone can improve their how to get started with SEO. Alright, so how do you actually get started with SEO? Here's a quick checklist. Do keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest to find out what people are searching for. Create awesome content, write blog posts, make videos, or create guides that answer people's questions. Optimize your website. Make sure it's fast, mobile friendly, and easy to navigate. Build backlinks, reach out to other websites, collaborate, and create shareable content. Be patient. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to climbing the search rankings. So there you have it. SEO explained in a way that's hopefully fun and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And hey, if you have any questions about SEO, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to. You out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep optimizing and keep shining. Bye!